In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research in Semrush. To get started, you'll first need to open up your preferred web browser and search for Semrush. It's important to access the official Semrush website so you can either log in with your existing account or sign up if you're a new user. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to dive into the keyword research process. One of the most powerful tools Semrush offers is the Keyword Magic tool. This tool is designed to help you find the perfect keywords for your niche or business. Start by inputting a broad keyword that's relevant to your field or the topic you're interested in. This could be anything from digital marketing to eco-friendly products, depending on your area of interest or expertise. Think of it as the seed you plant to grow your keyword strategy. When you enter that broad keyword, the Keyword Magic tool will do the heavy lifting for you. It will generate a comprehensive list of related keywords. But that's not all. Beside each keyword, you'll find valuable metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent. Search volume tells you how often a keyword is searched on average per month, providing insight into its popularity. Keyword difficulty, often referred to as KD, indicates how challenging it might be to rank for that keyword. Meanwhile, search intent helps you understand the motivation behind the user's search, whether they're looking to purchase, learn, or simply browse. With this list of keywords and metrics before you, the next step is to refine your selection using filters. Semrush allows you to narrow down your list based on criteria like keyword difficulty and search volume. This is where you can customize the suggestions to better fit your strategy. Applying these filters will help you identify the most promising keywords that align with your goals. Maybe you're looking for keywords with a high search volume to capture a broad audience, or perhaps you need those with specific search intent to target niche customers. As you evaluate potential keywords, pay special attention to the keyword difficulty score. In many cases, especially if you are starting out, it's advisable to prioritize keywords with a lower KD score. These are typically easier to rank for, giving you a better chance to appear on the first page of search results. Prioritizing these opportunities can help you build authority and traffic more efficiently as you grow your presence online. By following these steps, you can leverage Semrush to uncover high-potential keywords and enhance your digital strategy. Remember, effective keyword research doesn't just improve your search ranking. It deepens your understanding of audience needs and can guide your content creation. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with your keyword research.